Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog. As you can see now, I will update the rebuild of the Ninja 250R 2013. I want to huge thank to you guys for being my YouTube family and support my YouTube all this day, okay? And then this is our update from our Ninja that I found out that I need to fix real quick and as soon as possible, okay? The first thing that I need to do is I found out this hose here is broken. Here, this hose, I think this is a overflow hose is broken, so I need to buy this new one. Okay, this hose, new one. See, it's broken. There, it's not connecting to this hose, so it's broken. So I need to fix this. As you can see, we are already welding this. See, it's leaking before this, so it's already done. And then we need to repaint it. I think I need to repaint the whole tank because you can see a lot of scratch here, this area, this. So I need to repaint this along with this handlebar. Hi, how are you? How are you, Thomas? Are you okay, Thomas? Thomas. Hi. Hi, Thomas. Thomas. He's chilling now. And guys, this is the scratch that occur. This is the scratch from the accident, so we need to repaint it. Hi Thomas, what are you doing, Thomas? What are you doing, Thomas? What are you doing? What are you doing, Thomas? What are you doing? So this is the damage. I need to repaint it black with the high temp. I need to sanding this, and then I need to repaint it. What are you doing, Thomas? Hi, Thomas. What are you doing, Thomas? What are you doing, Thomas? And then the next update is, you can see there is small crack here, and then scratch here. So I think I need to fix this too and repaint it black. So guys, are we going to paint and grab some my stuff, okay?
15 minutes later.
Guys, finally we arrived home. As you can see now, this is our supply that we get for this Ninja 250. Let's check it out. This is the hose that I'm talking to you guys. At this area that's already broken, so we find the replacement in the red color. Okay, right, brother?
Red color.
Right, brother?
And then, as you can see now, it's from Cozy, okay? It's from Cozy. It looks more, attractive for me. Wow. Red in color. And I think it's 1 meter, brother. So it's long. We can modify it. We shorter it if it's too long for this motorcycle. Guys, what are you thinking about this motorbike? Please comment below. Give a suggestion on what we want to upgrade on this bike. What is that, brother?
This is the second item that we get. Brother, can you explain?
I can explain this after I.
As you can see, black color for engine, so we can use it to spray this area. Okay, this area, so we need to clean this first again, and then we sand it, and then we can spray this color. So Samurai is recommended to paint your bike or your engine or your exhaust manifold.
We also have silver base coat color, okay, or also known as Malbec. Wow, 3124 coat. So this is for the base coat before we paint the actual color to make the paint more perfect. Yes, we must a base coat first.
This is the clear spray, right brother? Can you take it? This is the clear.
This is not clear, brother. This is black. This is black. Oh, clear color. Clear. To make the finishing more shiny. Just a joke.
One is the black color. We're planning to change the whole bike into a black color, right brother? Can you hold it? This is black.
Yes, black.
This
As you
is
can see
black.
now, black.
So we will repaint at the back of this bike with the black color. Okay, black color.
Black.
Color. Yeah.
Black.
Sandpaper. This is wet and dry sandpaper to sand it this back of this bike, as I mentioned before, because we need to fix this. We need to fix this area. We need to glue it back together, and then we will repaint it all black. So I think the black will more sit, right brother?
Yes. So guys, I just want to make some promotion about Samurai paint color. So Samurai paint color is very common use in Malaysia because this is one of the perfect paint ever in Malaysia than Anchor brand or anything else lah. This one is very good and you must use this, okay? It's very famous in YouTube.
We want the perfect color for our bike. We don't want any imperfection in our paint job. So we choose the best paint for our bike, right brother?
Yes. Kurobushi, Japan.
Okay. Anything we will update soon.
Contain no CFCs. What is that, brother? What is that?